Hi Year 2, so I'm going to go through some addition and subtraction word problems with you and how you might tackle them. So the ones you've been set for home learning are slightly different. I'm going to go through some of these so you can think about how you might answer them. So to begin with, we have this word problem here. So on Christmas Day, Johnny ate 12 sweets. Later that day, he ate 7 more sweets. How many did he eat all together? So, first of all, we need to think about the numbers that are used in this word problem. So, first of all, we have the number 12. We also have the number 7. But do we know what to do with those numbers? So we need to read this part here to work out what we need to do with those numbers. So how many did he eat all together? You should know that that word altogether means that we need to add those numbers together. So we would then write our number sentence. So 12 add 7 equals. Now there are many different ways to work that out. I'm going to start to show you how I would do that with Dean. So I would have 12 here and then I would draw 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I'd count them all together. So I've got my 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the steps I would have gone through was first of all identify the numbers, then decide what I need to do with those numbers, write my number sentence and find the answer. Okay, question 2. There were 9 apples on a tree, so we know we're going to circle that number. So there were 9 apples on a tree. There were 21 apples on another tree. How many apples were on the 2 trees in total? Pause the video and have a go at writing that number sentence and finding out the answer. Okay, for the purpose of this, you can put the numbers in any order because you should know that it's commutative, so you can add those numbers in any order and you will get the same answer. So I'm going to do 21 add 9 equals. This time I'm going to do a number line. So we're going to start with the biggest number because it's easier, 21, and jump on 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and my answer is 30. Now, some of you are mathematicians and you would have spotted straight away that 1 and 9 is one of our number bonds to 10, and you would have known that number immediately as being 30. Okay, this one, Aoife had 35 crayons. She lost 15 of the crayons, so she's lost them. How many crayons does she have now? I want you to write the number sentence and have a go at working out that answer. If you're not too sure, I'm going to draw it out now. So she's lost 15, so she started with 35, and by losing them we've taken away 15. Okay, drawing that with the deans, you'd start with the 35. 1, 2. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I'm going to cross off 10, this 10 here, and we're going to cross off the 5. That leaves us with 20. So every time you're tackling a number problem, you're thinking about what it's asking you to do. Okay, Ben baked 40 cookies for the school bake sale. Tara baked 22 cookies. How many cookies did they make all together? So we've got that word all together again. Pause the video and have a go at writing your answer. So, the number sentence we should have had there is 40. Add 22. We know we're going to add because we've got the word all together. We draw that in deans, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then our 2, 10, 20, 1, 2, and then we're going to count it all together. So 40, 50, 60, 1, 2. Our answer is 62. Our last one. There are 27 birds in a field. Some more fly into the field. Now there are 58 birds in the field. How many more birds are there now? So this one is turned round. It's asking you to think in a slightly different way. So I want you to pause your video and have a think about what that number sentence is asking you. Okay, so we've got 27 birds in the field. Now there are 58. So we're actually finding out the difference between 58 and 27. So the way we would do that is by 58 taking away the 27 that is already there to find out how many entered the field, so how many more flew into the field. So we've got our 58, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to take away 27. So we are left with 10, 20, 30, 1. So there are 31 birds that flew into that field. I hope that helps you think about worded problems. First of all, you need to identify the numbers that are in that word problem. Then you need to identify the number sentence to be able to do the maths and come up with the answer.